Good morning. Today I want to introduce a special kind of loft to you. You know the loft already if you have followed this program earlier. But this is the Loft Premium, which my friend Alan and I, Andreas Wolfer-Heimann from Morelo, as the export sales manager, want to present to you. So you see now a very luxurious loft. It is luxurious not only because it has these big insulating walls of 42 millimeters. It is luxurious not only because it has a double floor that goes from one side to the other, where you can load long objects, for example, but it is luxurious most of all because it has an electrically opening safety door, which is keyless, operating by a code. Electrically opening, like I said. A big XL size entrance door with metal hinges that contribute together with safety glass to your security on board. So if I go in, I'm only slim. Would I be wider? No problem, XL door. So here we are. So what is different from a standard loft to a premium loft would be a very nice topic for today. You see, we still have our individual dashboard. You see, we still have the removable steering wheel. You see, turning the seats, it makes a lovely indirect lighting, creates a lovely atmosphere. We have double glazed side windows in the driver's cab. All that you need. We would even have an electrical supplementary brake on the dashboard should you go downhill. We have the beautiful lounge, a lounge that is easily can take 6 people, 7 people to sit. If I pass from here to there, for example, you pass nicely into this part of the vehicle, and if you'd be with people, it would be so easy to just extend the table, position it somewhere nicely so that everyone can reach it, and have a nice 3-course dinner together, accompanied by some nice champagne, maybe as a starter. So, pushing it back, again, the big space is there. Should the visitors want to put their shoes, easy to do. There's big drawers underneath the side seat bench. Self-closing, of course. Following the vehicle, we come to one part which is very important, not only to housewives who like to cook, but also to male chefs like myself, who love to cook on a nice 3-burner hob with a lot of space, much more space than in a standard loft that you would have in this Loft Premium. Not to mention the Nespresso coffee machine with a capsule holder and the big overhead lockers that can be really loaded also with plates of 32 centimeters. Yeah. Now you would say, and how is the vapor from cooking coming out? Well, you open your window, of course, to ventilate. But also you have a 3-speed extraction fan in the roof, which is working so much more nicely than integrated exhaust fans. So, now a big kitchen. We are not talking too much about the other side because this is self-understanding that a Morelo has a big 190 liter fridge freezer combination. It even has an automatic energy selection, selecting either the gas, the battery when you're driving, or like in this case, when hooked up to two mains, the electrical cable. Not only this can be regulated in 5 different steps, but also there can be a shock freezing be done, putting the cold to the freezer, most of it, when you come in and put your freezing goods into the freezing compartment. So you will have missed maybe the gas oven, and the gas oven is of course very important, particularly to cook, for example, an English breakfast. You have 2 positions. You have a baking position where the gas comes from underneath in this oven, or you would have a grilling position like now where the gas comes from the top for any type of toast or warming up the pizza from yesterday. From the kitchen, so far we had a small bathroom in a normal loft. Now look at this. This is more the bathroom you know of the superior models like Palace or Empire or Empire Liner. With a beautiful big wash stand, yeah, mirrors opening like this so that you can wash your hair too. Important for ladies, some men like to wash their hair too. Lots of space even for the 2 of you, yeah. Extensible handheld shower, should you decide maybe to wash your hair here instead of in the shower, saving some water. Not so much necessary to save water. You have 300 liter fresh water on board, 200 liter wastewater, and even the fixed toilet on the other side here has a water tank underneath of 200 liter, so big capacity. We talk about ceramics when we talk toilets, and we talk also about soft close of toilet lids. You have the heating coming in here, which is particularly nice, with a regulator, so all time of the year nice, cozy and warm in your bathroom. Nothing to reproach to the shower, yeah. Even tall blokes or women can easily find space in there. You can see no one in, so we can step in. I'm at a reasonable height, 178 or so. So taking the drip rail off would even create more space. So 6 feet, no problem to this shower. Cleaning it even nicer, as it is real glass. Should you want to separate yourself from the bedroom and look at yourself in full size, yeah, just close the rear door. So the bedroom is a compact bedroom. You have the choice of several bedrooms in the Loft Premium, but this is a very nice one. We call it single beds. Although the beds are not really single, they are joining here, giving you a surface of 2.10 meters in the whole width of that bed. Very, very comfortable also. The underneath structure, underneath the mattress, which is individual suspension, supporting your back and bones just better. Just like it needs to be at a certain age in which I am in. Lots of space, medium-sized roof window, cushions to spread over the bed, indirect lighting to create some atmosphere, reading lights at the corner, all you need for a relaxing night out in the Cotswolds. Also television, you see here, is of course available in the bedroom like it is in other parts of the vehicle, in the living room. You can swivel them over even to an extreme, so that the camera gets very close to that screen. And should you prefer to continue watching in the bathroom, just push it to that direction. Needless to say, storage is big and versatile. Yeah? So you can hang a lot of clothes. Should this not be sufficient, you would have another hanging bar underneath this panel which you could take out. LED lighting from the top to the bottom, so you see your pullovers down there. Yeah? Even when the lamp up there, should there be a lamp, is obstructed by hanging clothes. Also here you can close your big premium bathroom, yeah, to create a sort of island of well-being and a dress room. Moving out, like in all of the upgrade Morelos, the only thing is, after you have bought such a lovely vehicle, is to pour yourself 2 glasses of champagne and put out a toast on the Loft Premium. So next video will be our smallest one.